up, everyone? It's day one of Mustang week, and we're headed over to the kickoff party at Broadway at the beach at the, I think it's at the Hard Rock Cafe thing. But yeah, we're gonna go check out some of the cars and take you along with us. Alright, made it successfully. A little hot in my car since I still don't have AC yet, but there are a bunch of Mustangs here. Pretty excited. Excited?
Hey, excited, yes. Oh, wow, pump it, pump it. Nothing like a Chevy meat.
Chevy meat?
Yes. Isn't that Chevy's?
You excited?
No. Mustangs.
Huh?
Can I stand here?
Yeah.
I'm gonna walk.
Yeah? What? You remember what that's called?
What? No, I don't.
Turbo.
Turbo.
Look, he's got two of them.
Two turbos.
Yeah.
Like the countryman, the basement's got
I got you. 1200.
What color kind of stuff you got?
yeah. Imagine all these guys leaving.
Alright, so kickoff for Mustang Week, I have to say, was a huge success. There were so many cars out there. I didn't film that much because I was walking around with my family and stuff, but there were a lot of nice cars out there. It was my first Mustang Week as a Mustang owner too, so I felt that was pretty neat. But anyway, if you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing, hit the thumbs up, leave us a comment. If you saw your car on there, leave us a comment down below, and we'll see you next time. There's going to be me and Randall will probably go out a couple nights this week to the different meets and stuff, and then Saturday there's a big car show. But yeah, there should be a lot of content coming up this week, so yeah, thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time. Peace.